Hi guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Sleek Treat. Sleek Treat is a monthly sugar-free subscription box. It includes 5 to 8 artisanal. Don't mind my hair, it's just looking weird. Snacks and treats. It's all sugar-free, keto, LCHF, so like low carb, high fat. What else? Just all around good for you snacks instead of the alternative, which is store-bought sugary. Everything has tons of sugar. Not so good for you. This is a great alternative. Let's get in there and see what's in here. So I opened it up and I love the way it looks this month. Isn't it cute? Look. Lucky Sleek Treat vibes. And there's like, the information cards are really cool because there's, ooh, match 3 and win. Oh, I won't do this on camera. I have to do this like alone and enjoy that like scratching that stuff off. That is like so fun for me. So their cards are super detailed. Like they tell you the sugar alternative that was used. They tell you everything you need to know. I love it. I love that because in a subscription like this, you do want to, like, you're being conscious and they're being conscious as well. And I like that. It's a good example. All right, so then it's just closed up here with a little butterfly sticker. All right, first we have the Project 7 gum. I love this stuff. So this is fairy tale fruit. Never tried it. It's got a unicorn on it though. Cannot go wrong with that. When we're done with unboxing everything, we'll go through the little card and we'll find out the sugar alternative that was used. All right, then we have a Medi weight loss. That's from who this card is from. Iced lemon shortbread. Ooh. Oh, protein bar. That sounds really divine because I love lemon. And I love shortbread, and that sounds good. I can't wait to see what kind of sugar alternative they use. I love the packaging too. It makes it look very appetizing. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna be so pumped. All right, so who's that? All right, we've got Zaffy Taffy. So this is like made by dentists, I want to say. Like the last time we got something from Zaffy, I think it was the lollipops, or they're called Zollipops maybe. It said that it was like made by, or like designed by dentists, or they helped in some way. I don't really remember. Just thinking. So this is good. We did have the taffy. It was so good. It, like, you never know it was sugar free. The kids were the kids don't care anyway. Even if it's like something that I'm not into, my kids are like, we will eat that. They just don't care. I don't even know. I don't even know what to say about that. But anyway, this is sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, natural flavors, no artificial colors, 3 ounces. So there's about, blah, 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 blah. Well, I don't know how many are in here. I was going to do the math, but it doesn't say. It just doesn't say. All right. Next, we're moving on. This is another item from Medi Weight Loss. This is a classic Marsh. So this is a Rice Krispie treat. It says marshmallow treat. It's a Rice Krispie treat. They can't use that word. I know. I get it. But I love their look at the packaging is so like pretty. It's super inviting. I like this. I would pick this up. Has 11 grams of protein and only 100 calories. Perfect as like an addition to your lunch if you're trying to lose weight, but like need something to finish off your meal. Ta-da! I can't wait to try that. All right. Ooh, I'm glad I see something good in here. All right, so here's a Quest protein cookie. Yo, I just used the word yo. My kids love these. Oh my gosh. I know I probably shouldn't. I give them little pieces. I'm eating it because I enjoy it as well. But they love these. I'm like, I don't think you're going to like this. They're like, well, just try us. They're into these. So they used to always include a full-size chocolate bar. It sounds like she's saying mommy. If you can hear her, she's not. She's saying meow meow help. Meow meow help. I don't know why. I really don't. So anyway, this is the coconut Lily Stark chocolate bar. It's stevia sweetened, 55% cocoa, non-GMO, no sugar added. They used to always include a full-size chocolate bar and they stopped for a little bit, but now they started again and I do like that. I like to reward the kids with some chocolate when they do something good, especially if it's sugar-free. Doesn't eliminate the caffeine though, and it's dark chocolate. So, all right, let's go over the little thing here. The Quest bar is sweetened with erythritol and stevia. I think that was on the package. The Project 7 gum is sweetened with xylitol, sorbitol, maltitol syrup, stevia, and sucralose. These, it said, stevia sweetened, also erythritol. The Zaffy Taffy, they use maltitol syrup, erythritol, and xylitol, and stevia. Finally. My husband just came to the day. She's out there like yelling and having a blast. And I hear my husband, shh, come here. Just in case you guys thought I was like, let my kids out there alone to fend for themselves in my living room. So anyway, I don't. All right, here we go. The Medi Weight Loss Marshmallow Crisp is ISO, which I looked this up. It's like some sort of a sugar alcohol blend, I think I remember. It's like, it's an acronym for something. I forget though. Invert sugar and sucralose. I don't know what invert sugar is. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. I always look it up if I don't know it. And then I'll put it in the blog. So if you're curious, check out the blog. The lemon shortbread, also from Medi Weight Loss, is sweetened with maltitol, ISO, sucralose, and asulfame potassium. Never heard of that word. I don't know. I'm excited to try all this stuff out because there's some new good ones in here. Like I've never heard of this brand, and I'm really excited to try it. There's stuff that my kids will like, and I love that. So this looks like a great box. I cannot wait to get in here and let you guys know what I think. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.